Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get gold notes on Instagram. So if you also want to get gold notes on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Instagram allows you a feature where you can upload notes with gold overlay and gold theme. If you also want to enjoy that feature, what you have to do is launch open Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, you can see inbox icon at the top right corner. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see option for uploading note. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you have to enter your note. Whenever you're typing your note, make sure to include the word gold. For example, I'm writing I love gold. If you do not include gold in your note, gold theme will not be activated. Now, after typing in your note, what you have to do is tap on the share button that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see here your gold note is uploaded. So that is how you get gold notes on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.